Hello student, welcome back to my second video on course and career option in commerce. So myself your Dipankar Jaiswal sir and I am preparing this video basically for your career option after your 12th course. Now why commerce is a good option after 12th course? Class 12 পাছত commerce কিয় দৰকাৰ হয় বা আমাৰ আহিবলগীয়া ফিউচাৰৰ কাৰণে কমাৰ্চ আমাৰ কেনেকৈ কেৰিয়াৰ অপশ্যন হ'ব পাৰে বা কমাৰ্চত কি কেৰিয়াৰ আছে কমাৰ্চ পঢ়িলে কি হ'ব পাৰোঁ আমি তাৰ বিষয়ে এই ভিডিঅ'টোত মই এটা ব্ৰিফ ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যন দিছোঁ ओके सो हमें जितने भी चीज़ें हम करते हैं या जो भी चीज़ें हम करते हैं ऑल रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड मनी सो मैं ক'বলৈ গৈ আছোঁ যে কমাৰ্চ কোৰ্চটো যদি আমি কৰোঁ তাত আমি বেচিকেলি কি বস্তু শিকিব পাৰোঁ ফাৰ্ষ্ট মানি যেতিয়া তুমি কমাৰ্চ কোৰ্চটো কৰিবা এই কোৰ্চটোত বেচিকেলি তুমি মানি আৰু নাম্বাৰ ৰিলেটেড বস্তুবিলাক শিকিবলৈ পাবা স্পেচিয়েলি ইন একাউণ্টেঞ্চি ওকে আমি যেতিয়া একাউণ্টছ কৰিম তাত বেচিকেলি যোনবিলাক চেপ্টাৰ্ছ থাকিব তাত মানি ৰিলেটেড আমি এপ্লিকেশ্যনছবিলাক কৰিম য'ত মানি আৰু নাম্বাৰ ৰিলেটেড চামছবিলাক আমি শিকিব পাৰিম নেক্সট কমাৰ্চ কৰিলে জেনেৰেলি এটা মানুহৰ ফাইনেন্সিয়েল নলেজ ষ্ট্ৰং হৈ যায় द फाइनेंशियल नॉलेज ऑफ ए पर्सन हैज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग व्हेन ही ऑप्टेड फॉर कॉमर्स दिस मीन्स दूसरे का पैसा को मैनेज करके खुद का पैसा हम बना सकते हैं इफ़ यू ऑप्टेड फॉर कॉमर्स नेक्स्ट व्हेन यू गो फॉर कॉमर्स योर इन्वेस्टमेंट रिलेटेड आइडियाज़ हैव बीन इंक्रीजिंग okay your idea regarding financial institutions banking economic resources has been increasing so there are lots of line or there are lots of scopes when you opted for commerce now you have to decide whether you may go for business whether you may go for professional line or whether you may go for any other line okay now we discuss what are the lines or what are the career options after you have passed your 12th commerce let us discuss the first course is bachelor of commerce in short it is known as bcom this degree is the most customary course that students tend to choose after their class 12 completion it is a 3-year degree course that provide curricular knowledge on subjects like accountancy, statistics, management, human resource, computer, economics, etc. তো তোমাৰ ওপৰত ডিপেণ্ড কৰিব যে তুমি বিকম যদি কৰা তাত অনাৰ্ছ কি লোৱা ওকে আমি বিকমত একাউণ্টেঞ্চি অনাৰ্ছ ল'ব পাৰোঁ মাৰ্কেটিং অনাৰ্ছ ল'ব পাৰোঁ মেনেজমেণ্টত অনাৰ্ছ ল'ব পাৰোঁ ওকে লাইক ডেট ৱে ইটছ ইয়ৰ চইচ Now, BCom is one of the best commerce course available after your 12th commerce. The next option is Chartered Accountancy, that is CA. I think all of you heard about this course. The Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, in short, it is known as ICAI. That ICAI administers the professional course for students having completed their class 12 in commerce. This professional course comprises various levels. যিটো চাৰ্টাৰ্ড একাউণ্টেণ্ট কোৰ্চ আছে তাত ডিফাৰেণ্ট লেভেলছ আছে অ'কে চ' ফাৰ্ষ্ট লেভেলটোক ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন বুলি কোৱা হয় তাৰপাছত গ্ৰুপ 1 আহে গ্ৰুপ 2 আহে দেন আৰ্টিকলশ্বিপ দেন চি এ ফাইনেল লাইক ডেটো আমি কিছুমান লেভেলছ পাৰ কৰিব লাগে ফৰ বিং এ চাৰ্টাৰ্ড একাউণ্টেণ্ট 4 to 5 years লাগি যায় ইফ ইউ যদি তুমি ওৱান এটেমত গোটেইখিনি লেভেল পাৰ কৰি দিয়া আফটাৰ ইয়ৰ 12 অ'কে চ' চি এ ইজ ওৱান অফ দ্য ফেমাছ এণ্ড দ্য বেষ্ট কেৰিয়াৰ কমাৰ্চ কোৰ্চ ফৰ দ্য কমাৰ্চ ষ্টুডেণ্ট নাও ষ্টুডেণ্ট নিড টু ক্লিয়াৰ ওৱান টু বি এলিজিবল টু চিট ফৰ দ্য নেক্সট লেভেল উইথ হায়াৰ ডিফিকাল্টি লেভেল এটা লেভেল তুমি ক্লিয়াৰ কৰি গৈ থাকিব লাগিব ইফ ইউ আৰ লুকিং ফৰ দ্য বেষ্ট কমাৰ্চ কোৰ্চ CA is one of the best option for you. এনেকুৱা এটা কোৰ্ছ হয় য'ত তোমাৰ ৰেপুটেশ্যনছ আছে, মানি আছে, ডিমাণ্ড আছে। অ'কে, ইটছ এ ভেৰি গুড কোৰ্ছ। নেক্সট, বেচেলাৰ অফ বিজনেছ এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন, BBA. If anyone want to get into the business administration line right from the beginning, so BBA is the best option from him. If you go for business administration line, the BBA is a common choice among the student after they had completed their 12th having studied commerce. It is a 3-year undergraduate program where students obtain an education based on the principle of business and its administration. So যোনবিলাক ষ্টুডেণ্টে ভাবি লৈছে যে ফিউচাৰত মই মাষ্টাৰ অফ বিজনেছ এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন বা MBA কৰিম, সিহঁতি BBA কৰিব পাৰে। Business aspect and methodologies are taught from the very beginning, and students learn method of corporate operation and law in functionality. মানে যিটো BBA কোৰ্ছ হয়, সেই BBA কোৰ্ছটো পঢ়িলে আমি ইন ফিউচাৰ MBA কৰিব পাৰোঁ, আৰু তাত ডিফাৰেণ্ট লাইনছ আছে। অ'কে, আমি যিকোনো এটা লাইন চুজ কৰি পিনে সেইটো লাইনত আমি পঢ়িব পাৰোঁ। দিছ অপশ্যন ইজ সুইটেড ফৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট হু হেভ ডিচাইডেড টু জইন কোম্পানীজ or to run their own business from very starting phase of their career. যদি তুমি কোম্পানী জইন কৰিব বিচাৰিছা বা নিজৰ বিজনেছ ৰান কৰিব বিচাৰিছা, BBA is the best option for you. Okay. Next line is the computer secretary, that is CS. So unlike the CA certification, the CS or company secretary course is under administration of the Institute of Company Secretary of India, ICAI. That means company secretary course to car under ahe ICAI, that is Institute of Company Secretary of India. Student with an inclination towards the theoretical course in law choose this course for a career option. It is one of the best course after 12 commerce. That means যদি কোনোবা ষ্টুডেণ্টে কমাৰ্চৰ ল' ৰিলেটেড বস্তুৰ ওপৰত ষ্টাডি কৰিব বিচাৰে, ইট ইজ বেটাৰ টু গ' ফৰ কোম্পানী ছেক্ৰেটাৰী। যিকোনো এটা MLA হওক বা যিকোনো এজন চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ হওক, চবতে এজন ছেক্ৰেটাৰী থাকে, যোনটো ছেক্ৰেটাৰীয়ে ইচ এণ্ড এভৰিথিং মেনেজ কৰে। চিমিলাৰলি কোম্পানীৰ যিজন ছেক্ৰেটাৰী থাকে, সি কোম্পানীটোৰ ল' ৰিলেটেড কাম কাজবিলাক মেনেজ কৰে। মানে অলমষ্ট ইচ এণ্ড এভৰি ৱৰ্ক অফ দেট কোম্পানী ইজ মেনেজ বাই দ্য কোম্পানী ছেক্ৰেটাৰী। আৰু এইটো এক্সাম দিবৰ কাৰণে তুমি ICSI যিটো ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন এক্সাম কণ্ডাক্ট কৰে, অ'কে, সেই এক্সামত তুমি এক্সাম দিব লাগিব বা ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন কোৰ্চটো তুমি কৰিব লাগিব। নেক্সট ইজ কষ্ট এণ্ড মেনেজমেণ্ট একাউণ্টেণ্ট। চ' ইট ইজ ওৱান অফ দ্য most important course that is known as CMA. Just like CA course, this degree is a professional course offered by the Institute of Cost Accountant of India. Similar to CA and CS, the curriculum is a formation of different level for the student to clear the rounds. Different levels আছে, okay, আৰু গোটেই লেভেলবিলাক 1 by 1 তুমি ক্লিয়াৰ কৰি যাব লাগিব for being an CMA. Same as CA and CS, it is almost same as CA and CS. Okay, CMA is one of the best career option in commerce. Following this course, it is required of student to obtain education and expertise associated with subject like cost and management accounting, fundamental of commercial and industrial law, law and ethics, etc. Okay, it is one of the most important course. Many of our students from Solbrook Academy has opted this course CMA. I'll going to give you or explain you. Next course is BCA. Now the student who basically want to go for IT sector, okay, or who wants programming kind of thing or software design developer kind of thing, they may go for BCA, that is Bachelor in Computer Application. So BCA is a 3-year undergraduate degree program for candidate wishing to deliver into the world of computer language. One of the most popular option to get started with a career in information technology, that is in IT sector. The course give you an insight into the world of computer and its applications. Okay, so it is one of the best career option if you very interested in the line of IT. Now some other courses are there like fashion designing. Now it is one of the most growing industry in India. Okay, if you go for commerce as a career option, you may also opt for fashion designing course. Next, event management. It is one of the important course nowadays. Okay, nowadays people don't have any time to organizing any kind of functions like marriage function, birthday function, any kind of functions are generally organized by event manager nowadays. In big cities, all these kind of functions are organized by event manager. So for that, you have to opt for event management diploma courses. Similarly, hospitality managements are there. Okay, this is also a diploma course. The next, actuarial science. Now some of our student may go for actuarial science. I remember one of our student, Pratik Jain, he is now doing actuarial science from Kolkata. This is a basically course of insurance sector, and it is a course of risk management. Now if you opted for commerce as your career, you may also go for banking sector. You may give some exam regarding clerical level or PO, that is provisional officer level. Okay, next you may also choose your career as a stock market. Okay, stock market is now a very growing sector in India, so you may also opt for that. So these are some courses and many more other scopes are there. I'm not discussing all things. Okay, these are the main career options. Okay, you may opt for this. Okay, these are the best career option in commerce. Now I am going to discuss about the performance of some previous based student of Solbrook Academy. There are lots of students are there. Okay, out of those students, some are uh, let us discuss about in 2020 batch. The first is Krishna Maheswari. She got first ranked in entire Assam in Assam Higher Secondary Education Council exam. That is, in HS final exam, she got first ranked in entire Assam. She is now doing BCom honors at Guwahati Commerce College along with CMA, that is Chartered Management Accountant. I have said already, I have explained about this course, that is CMA, that is Cost and Management Accountant. Okay. Next, Prerna Dwara. She is securing 5th ranked in entire Assam in 2020 final exam. Now presently she is pursuing BCom honors at St. Xavier's College Autonomous, Kolkata along with CMA, that is Cost and Management Accountant. Okay. Next, Astha Chaudhary, she is also securing 5th ranked in 2020 and now she is doing MCOM integrated at Tezpur University. Now these three students get straight rank in the year 2020. Apart from that, some students are there or some pass out ex Solbrookians are there who are going for hotel management. Some of them are Mosam Barua, Mudit Karua and Maruf Khan. Now Mosam Barua is in Abu Dhabi. Mudit Karua is an owner of a hotel. Maruf Khan is doing his job in Hotel Taj. Okay, like that way, or he is doing hotel management in Hotel Taj. Like that way, there are lots of examples are there who are pursuing from Solbrook Academy. Some students who are being CA, say Himadri Gogoi, Jahir Khan, who is an CA and CS from Solbrook Academy, pass out from Solbrook Academy. Okay, Abhishek, he is also a chartered accountant from who is passing from Solbrook Academy. Many students are there who are going for their own startups. Some students are there. Okay, I have not remember the name of each and every one's. Okay, there are lots of students are there who are doing their own businesses. Some students are there who are going for MCOM as their career option, Master of Commerce, and they are now being lecturer in commerce. Myself also an ex-Brookian. I am doing or I am pursuing my higher secondary from commerce stream, and now I am engaging as a lecturer in commerce in Solbrook Academy. Similarly, Debalakshmi Kakati madam, she is also your madam in HS second year in your HS. Okay, and she is also teaching commerce, and she's an ex-Brookian. And some students are there who are now lecturer in some government colleges like Haripriya Datta, Samrat Bhardwaj. They are lecturer in government colleges and who are being student or pass out from Solbrook Academy. Okay, so there are lots of examples are there. So thank you all of you for watching this video.